Hello guys, if you are disturbed by spam calls like me, this video is for you. Let's start. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone. Now we're gonna block the spam calls with just a small adjustment on the iPhone without needing to download any application. Open your settings menu, search for phone menu. Scroll the screen down and click Silence Unknown Callers. Toggle this option to open. From now on, you will not receive calls from anyone you do not know who is not in your contact list. These calls will be transferred directly to voicemail. Now, all you have to do is leave a note in your voicemail for the callers and ask them to leave you a message if the call is important. With this way, you can call back whom you want to call. If you find my video useful to show you support, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.